Hi friends, this is Parna here. Welcome to my channel Parna's Creation. Today I am going to show you how you can make this cute quill paper basket by using quilling strips. So let's get started with the procedure. For this we need strip paper, 5 mm quilling strip and 10 mm quilling strip cardboard, piece of papers, quilling tool and glues. I will take the cardboard piece and the paper piece. I have cut it already. Now I will join the pieces one by one. By applying some glue, I will join the pieces. After cutting the excess part, I will put some glue on that part so that it will get the perfect finishing. I will paste the upper part of the paper on the cardboard by applying some glue. Second step was to make quilling roll using quilling strip. I will take 10 mm quilling strip to make the first layer of our basket with the use of quilling tool. I will apply some glue at the end of the quilling strip. Already I make some quilling roll. We will need total 17 quilling roll to make the first layer. I will join the quilling roll with the help of glue. I will paste the quilling roll like this. You can see I have already done the process. It will look like that afterwards. We will go on our second roll. I will take baby pink color 10 mm strip. Strip length is 45 cm. I will roll the quilling strip and make a tight coil of it. Total we will need 17 quilling strips to make the second part of the basket. Already I have made the rest of the quilling roll. Now I will paste a quilling roll like this. You can see, you can use any other color of your choice. I will paste the quilling roll in between the two quilling roll. After completing the second round, you can see how it will look. It will look like this. Now let's go on our third and fourth step. Third and fourth round, I will take 5 mm quilling strip. I will take white color quilling strip. Now I will make a tight coil of it. I will take one strip to make the roll. Like this. I have pasted it already. You have to paste the quilling roll like this in between two of the rolls. Third and fourth layers complete. You can see how beautiful it is looking. Now let's get on our fifth layer. I have made rolls of 10 mm baby pink color. Now we'll paste it like this in between the two rolls. Our fifth layer is complete. See how beautiful it is looking now. It will look more beautiful when I will paste the rest of the layer. The final layer of 10 mm pink color strip, I have made it. Now I will paste like this. So our final layer is complete and the basket is completely dried. Now we'll make the handle. I have used cardboard paper to make the handle. Now I will put some glue and then I will join the handle on the basket. So our basket is completely dried up and it looking pale without the flower. So now we'll join some flower. I made some flower using half strip of purple and 1/4 strip of violet color. Same rest of the flower I have used. flour, I have creamed the paper using crimper machine and then make the flour. For the leaf as well, I have used the same technique. I have rolled the strip. Now I will put flour on the basket one by one. You can make any other flower using any other color of your own choice. For the handle, I will use half cutted pearls so it look like more stunning. Now I will join the rest of the flower and the half cutted pearls. So I have joined the both flowers and the half cutted pearls, so it's completely dried up. You will like my video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notification.